Let me show you how to reset your Fitbit Air. I will show you two different ways. The first way is if you simply open your Google Health app and then click on the device here, click on your Fitbit Air, go in the system. As you see, you have this disconnect device. So basically once you press it, it will remove it from your account and also it will reset it. So what if, for example, you can't get access to this account? For example, you just got this device, but simply it's paired to the old account and you basically need to pair it with your new phone. So then there is a second way. For example, I will place my phone in airplane mode so it can't find anymore. For example, if I want to pair it with a new phone, so I would again install the Google Health app. So what you need to do is you simply need to grab your charger and plug it in power. As you see on this charger, you have a tiny buttons that you can press. So what we need to do is we simply need to pop on our watch, so on the charger here, and we simply need to hold that button for I think around like 10 or 15 seconds. Okay. So as you see, we have this light here, so I'll simply hold it. You'll see what happens. So I'm starting to hold. Let's see how long it takes. I could hear vibration. So keep holding it like this. Okay, so you see it disappeared. It also vibrated once more. So, and it should be kind of like restarted. So it's kind of like soft reset, and also we should be able to pair it with a new phone now. So for example, let's go on this one. So let's see if it works. So start setup, agree. And let's see if it finds it now. Again, make sure it's actually on the charger, staying like that. So you see it's now pairing. Yep, you won't allow the pairing request. Yep, you won't allow these permissions. Continue. Yep, allow. So see, and it's paired essentially. So we have successfully reset it and paired with let's skip the junk. So you see, yep, it's working now and it's successfully paired with a new device. Okay, good luck.